Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to duplicate a Google Sheets file, maybe you need a backup or you want to start with a fresh version without messing up the original, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a copy of any Google Sheets file, and by the end of this tutorial you'll feel confident about where your copies are going and what the options actually mean for you. Let's dive right in. The first and probably the most popular way to make a copy starts right inside your Google Sheets file. So go ahead and open up the sheet you want to duplicate. Once it's open, glance up at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see File in the menu bar. Give that a click. In the drop-down menu, look for Make a Copy. It's usually a few items down, kind of easy to miss if you're not looking carefully, so take your time. Now once you've clicked Make a Copy, a small window pops up. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice you can give your new copy a fresh name. Think about something descriptive, especially if you'll be dealing with lots of similar files. But here's something really important. You'll also see a couple of checkboxes. One says Share it with the same people. If you select this, everyone who could access the original file will be able to access this copy, too, which is perfect if you're working as a team or want to keep collaboration easy. The next option, Copy Comments, is a lifesaver if you've had discussions or notes in the margins that you don't want to lose. If you leave this unchecked, your copy will start with a clean slate for comments. Below those options, you'll see My Drive pop up. Usually, Google picks your main drive by default for where the copy will go. But let's say you want it tucked away in a specific folder, maybe for a project or just for better organization. Click right into My Drive, and you'll get to choose exactly where you want your new file to live. This is so helpful if your drive is like mine and a little bit crowded. Once you're all set, just hit Make a Copy, and you should see your duplicated file appear, ready for you to use or share. Sometimes this might take a few seconds, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow or you're dealing with a large sheet, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. The second way to make a copy can be even quicker depending on your workflow. This time you'll go straight to Google Drive instead of opening up the sheet first. So pull up your Google Drive. You can get there by going to drive.google.com. Find the file you want to duplicate. If you've got lots of files, a quick search by name might save you some scrolling. Once you spot it, right-click on the file. There's an option right there that says Make a Copy. It couldn't be easier. As soon as you click that, Google Drive will create a copy in the same folder as your original file. By default, it'll name it Copy of your file name, but you can always right-click and rename it to keep your files organized. If you'd like, just drag and drop that copy into any folder or share it with others as needed. And that's really all there is to it. Two simple ways to make sure your important files are backed up or ready to be used for a brand new project without touching the original. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.